Mastering your iCloud. Changing your storage plan.
Hello there. Today, we'll be talking about iCloud storage and, more importantly, how you can change, upgrade, or downgrade your iCloud storage plan. This is a common question for Apple users who need more storage space or those who realize they've subscribed to more space than they actually need.
Can I change my iCloud storage plan?
Absolutely, you can. Apple has designed iCloud in such a way that it's flexible to the needs of its users. Whether you're looking to upgrade because you're running out of storage space or want to downgrade because you have unused space, Apple gives you the control to adjust your plan as per your requirements.
How to upgrade or downgrade your iCloud storage plan.
Upgrading your iCloud storage plan. 1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than iCloud, greater than Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. If you're using iOS 10.2 or earlier, go to Settings greater than iCloud, greater than Storage. 2. Tap on Change Storage Plan or Buy More Storage. 3. Choose a plan, and then tap Buy, and follow the on-screen instructions. Downgrading your iCloud storage plan. 1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than iCloud, greater than Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. 2. Tap Change Storage Plan, then Downgrade Options. 3. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Manage. 4. Choose a different plan, then tap Done.
Can I change my iCloud storage plan monthly?
Yes, you can. Your iCloud storage plan is billed every month, and changes you make to your storage plan take effect at the end of your current billing cycle. That means you can change your storage plan, upgrade, downgrade, or cancel it as many times as you want within a month, and the changes will reflect at the end of the billing cycle. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you on how to change your iCloud storage plan. Remember, it's all about assessing your own needs and making the changes that best suit you. You have the power to control your iCloud storage space, and now you know how to do it. See you in the next video.